Hello and welcome to video number 13 in the How to Build Your Online Marketing Business System, and this is directed to PTs, coaches and offline gym owners. So if you've been doing all the previous videos, you've learned a hell of a lot, an awesome pat on the back. There has been a lot to get through, however you are on the right path, on the right track in order to build sustainability into your business, the profitability as well. And then once you get all this in place, all the foundations, that's when you can really grow and scale your business to, however big you want to, really. The world is your oyster. So I'm here to help every step of the way. I've tried to give as much information in these videos as possible. Would love to hear your feedback as well, so please let me know where you're at. Now, this video is all about your ClickFunnels account. You may not have heard of ClickFunnels before. You might have heard of ClickFunnels, but you're not too sure exactly what it's all about. This video is detailing that. So more to follow after this. Okay, welcome back. So you are a driven business owner and you are wanting to build this freedom system, the business system, whatever you want to call it, the funnel which will give you the leads into your business, not just leads, the quality, high-end quality leads into your business that you've been craving, because up until now you've been doing traditional marketing strategies, which are awesome. I'm not discounting all that we've done, the word of mouth activities, the joint ventures, the events, the flyering on the streets, the posting on all the social media platforms. I get that, it's all good stuff. However, it's time now to do things differently, especially when there's a wave, a wobble in the industry. And we are recording now September 2020, the year of the pandemic, and we need to be able to weather unforeseen situations that might pop up in the future. So this is where also the beauty of an online robust marketing system can come into play, your robust marketing online machine. So before we get started, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, also leave a comment below to this video. I actually offer a weekly giveaway. It's my business bundle. I offer to 3 new subscribers my lead gen fix service, also my business survival kit, along with 2 free trainings and a done for you funnel. And talk about funnels, this is the ClickFunnels account type video. If you haven't heard of ClickFunnels, I'm going to dive into ClickFunnels right now. So here we are. I'll leave the link below. It's going to be this link here, bit.ly/ClickFunnels 2-week free trial. You can have a free 2-week trial with ClickFunnels, and I'll get a kickback for that. So if you do use the link, then awesome. I appreciate your commission there. But it is a fantastic program. It's where we're going to be hosting or building and then hosting the funnel, the system, which sits nicely behind the scenes in your business. I've been using ClickFunnels since 2014. It is a bit of time. It is time investment at the beginning, learning the program, but once you get your head around it, you will be building funnels like you make cups of tea throughout the day. Like, seriously, it's just so enjoyable when you get the hang of it, but it is a bit of a learning curve. But 2 weeks, you should be able to have enough time to build this funnel, which I'm teaching you how to do step by step. So click onto that link. The link is in the description box below, and you'll probably, no doubt, come to a similar looking page like this. Well, actually, I'm logged in, so you won't actually see this bit, but you'll see like a ClickFunnels page. So this is me into my account. So this is what I would see my side. It will look something similar your side. Now, I have a variety of funnels. In fact, I've maxed out on my funnels. I do offer a 2-week free trial where I used to offer the space in my account to help my clients. However, I would ask, if you were to take me off my 2-week free trial, which I'll talk about at the end of this video, to open up your own ClickFunnels account, because I've actually run out of capacity. But I've got all these funnels that I use for my own business. But if I look in the archived folder, this is where I can offer done for you funnels. So I've got so many funnels for so many different types of people. I love working with people in the health and fitness industry because that's my background. I've been in it since 2012, as I've set up around 4 indoor cycling studios. But I've got funnels here for for, let's say, dentists and chiropractors, plastic surgeons. I also have funnels for, you know, just normal business owners, you know, brick and mortar type businesses. And yeah, I've worked with people like Chris Brown recently, Eric Ho, Chabaria, who else have I worked with? Grace Lever, Lucy Johnson. I've been doing this online stuff now since 2014, very much enjoyed it, but I can help you build your funnel, because a funnel really is the missing ingredient. If you're doing things, as mentioned, in the old school traditional way, again, you do get results. I have been a 6-figure offline business owner, but it's hard work. And I did get myself burnt out and stressed out as well, because it's just not nice not knowing when your next influx of clients are going to come. So this just provides more sanity in your life, the predictability as well, and sustainability in your business. So yeah, this is what you're going to end up seeing your side. And what we'll do, let me just go back to my funnels here. You can actually go and click a link and it will bring you to a done for you funnel. So I've made a few, yeah, this one here. What you would do is book a call with me and I will give you the link to share this funnel. And everything that we've been discussing in videos up until now and future videos is all going to be sent to you in your own ClickFunnels account, so you can do all the modifications your side. So give me a shout. You can either email me, coaching@jenlillian.com, or book a call with me. The link again is in the description box below. Book a call. I can send you the link and you will have a done for you funnel as well. So it will save you all the work. So you'll probably recognize this page. This is the bridge page. Then you've got the application page. Nothing's going to be on this page because we need to build it into Typeform, which I'll go through in another video. That will then be integrated into ClickFunnels, which I'm going to show you about. And then you've got the thank you page, which is your fourth and final part of your business system. And obviously the first part before the bridge page is that Facebook advert that we're going to be talking to each other about in a future video. But this is what I want to let you know. You've got your 2-week free trial, plenty of time to do this your side, to build and modify a clone funnel. Send me an email or book up a call with me, a 30-minute slot. Should you wish you've got any other questions, I'll send you the link and then you can actually just tweak what I can send you, or you can build it yourself. There's so many tutorials online on YouTube. It just depends really what you want to do, or I can help you. So I actually do everything for you. In 2 weeks, I just ask you to front up the £200 Facebook spend. I get you the results in 2 weeks, and if you like what you see, and if I'm comfortable with what I can help you get as well, then we can have an on conversation, and then we can work together. But if I don't get your results, and I obviously don't ask for your money, I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that, and I'm sure that's how you would like to operate as well. So yeah, that's my service I would like to offer to you. But if you've got any questions, then please leave them in the comments below. I also do have a quality client generation Facebook group. It's where I tend to hang out more so Facebook than what I do YouTube. So if you want to join there, I can answer your questions in there. Again, like my video, subscribe, hit that bell notification button as well if you want to get the next video in this video series. Feel free to browse any of my other playlists that I've got on my YouTube channel. I do anything around business, marketing, meditations and mindset. I'm a big believer really that your business is an extension of you. So if your business is doing well, it means you're doing well within. If you've got things that you need to tackle in your business, it probably means you need to work on your inner game. So really it's all based around mindset. So again, you can book a call with me. Link is below, and yeah, check me out, jenlillian.com. Okay, thanks for listening. I will see you in the next video.